Hello everyone, Tivimate. You've probably heard of it, and if you're into IPTV, it's one of the most popular players out there. But is it actually worth paying for? Let's break this down. Tivimate is an IPTV player designed for viewing live TV channels, electronic program guides, catch-up content, and more. Here's the key thing. Tivimate is not an IPTV provider. It doesn't give you channels or streams. You need your own IPTV subscription to use it. Think of it like a remote control for your IPTV. It's made for big screens and works on Android TV, Fire Stick, and similar devices. With over 1 million downloads and millions of users, it's the gold standard. TVMate provides a user-friendly interface and seamless performance. The layout feels like a real TV guide, it's fast, customizable, and easy to use with a remote. You get multi-playlist support, recording capabilities, customizable channel groups, and a beautiful EPG. Users say it loads way faster than other players and never makes you wait while it refreshes the guide. It's so smooth that scrolling through hundreds of channels feels like you're using a real cable box. There's a free version, but it's ad-supported and has limited features. With the free version, VOD and TV shows won't work unless you upgrade to Premium. Premium costs about $12 per year or $34 for lifetime. Premium unlocks recording, multiple playlists, and parental controls and removes ads. Many users say once you try TVMate, you won't go back to other players. Now, the negatives. TVMate is primarily for Android devices. If you're on iOS or other systems, you can't use it. Recording can freeze if you have the app open while recording, which is annoying. Some users find it challenging to navigate initially, especially if you're new to IPTV. It depends on a stable internet connection, so weak Wi-Fi means buffering. So, is TVMate actually worth it? Well, if you're serious about IPTV, absolutely yes. It's hands down the best IPTV player available. The lifetime subscription at $34 is a smart investment if you use IPTV regularly. Start with the free version to test it, then grab the lifetime plan if you like it. For Android TV and Fire Stick users wanting a polished IPTV experience, TVMate is the clear winner. That's TVMate, guys. Best IPTV player out there, worth every single penny.